What's up, guys? It's your boys, Hershey Boys, and today we are going to have a lightning soccer battle. Now, if you've never played lightning basketball, it's basically the same thing, except for you're trying to score, and then you're trying to block the ball afterwards. And let's get to it. I will kick first and score first try. Let's hope. We got the soccer ball. Let's go. Okay, right here. That's good. That's a good size. Okay, ready? Get steady. Spaghetti. 180. Go. Dang it! I missed. I hit him. There you go. Just the ball. It's my brother. See if I can make this thing. And if I do, round one's over. And round one's over. Sorry about that. Oh! No! Really close. I was scared because I didn't get it. There it is. Okay. I will score this time. I believe. I promise you guys. I will score. Actually, I don't promise because I'm not that good. 3, ready, steady, spaghetti, Linetti, go. Top left, let's go, baby. Let's go. Carter.
Round one's over.
No, it's not.
Heidi, you just scored and blocked.
No, I need to block this one. You have to score and then block. Because I started.
Ready, go.
Ready, spaghetti, oh! Not in my house, baby. Give me the camera.
Oh, no. Yeah.
Let's go. Okay, round one's over. I am up 1-0. Okay? So, Carter, you can start because I started last time. Okay, best out of 3. Second round, I'm still probably going to win.
Second round, he's probably going to win again, but there's no harm in trying. Ball, center. And it shoots it! Ah!
He misses. Hey, give me the camera. What are you doing? He's bad at this. He doesn't care. Okay, this one's going into the back of the net. Ready? Spaghetti, Linetti, whatever everything rhymes with ready, set, go. Dang it, I missed. All right, here you go, Carter.
Give me the... Okay. Ball.
I will play ready to be.
Here we go. Mojo. Stop the kick. No.
I got him.
No.
I got him.
No.
Did you ruin it?
No.
Okay, let's go. I got it.
Still rolling.
Time to win. Right here, right now, baby. All right. Daniel side? Quit quitting Karate Kid. That alliteration. My teacher would be proud of me. Whatever. Here, get the camera. All right, just get it out of my face.
My the ball. Daniel Sam says the ball.
You will not make it.
Or I will. Ah! No. Nope, nobody likes it.
All right. Next one. Carter, should we play lightning speed at lightning?
Yeah, when it's lightning.
Sure, okay. So after this kick, we're gonna do lightning round. Okay, Carter, now you have to go with this ball. Try to beat me and shoot it before I get into the goal. Wait. Here you go. Wait, here you go. Okay, go. Not today. Oh. Switch. Let's go. All right, here we go. I'm gonna let him set up. Let's go, back of the net. Let's go, lads. No. Let's go, boy. No. Now I just have to block the next one. Get off the ground, Carter, you lazy butt.
You're a lazy butt.
I know. You can have it.
Gotta make this. Gotta make this route. I lose. No!
Give it to me.
No.
Let's go. I am the winner. Dude, that was close. You could have destroyed it. I am the winner. He lost, but that is okay. Oh, dude, they were right there. He almost destroyed that pot with the ball. No, don't be raging. Don't rage. I'll go get it later. See you later, guys. I'm the winner.